In front of me is NOKIA X10, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, open Settings and scroll down. Then click on Privacy section. In it, you need to choose Permission Manager and click on one of your device's features, like Location. Then tap on one of your apps. I will go with Maps and click on the best option for you. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first option, allow all the time, so I have to click on it and then select the back button. As you can see after that, Maps just gained access to my device's location. But you can always go back, pick any feature, and in it look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I will go with Camera and look for my Gmail. Now click on See All Gmail Permissions instead at the bottom and manage all of those options only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!